Have you ever wondered why some of the wealthiest people in the world don't flaunt their wealth? Imagine if you suddenly had a fortune. Would you rush to upgrade everything, or would you keep it low-key and focus on making that money last? The secret lies in stealth wealth, a strategy where financial success is kept private, not publicized. We'll explore powerful stealth wealth strategies that can lead you to long-term financial success. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to protect and grow your wealth discreetly, ensuring financial security for years to come. Subscribe to Wealthy Channel and let's get started. Number 1. Living stealthily, the secret to wealth and peace. In today's hyper-connected world, conspicuous consumption can be a double-edged sword. Those who flaunt their wealth often attract not only admiration, but also envy and unwanted attention. This can lead to financial risks, such as targeted scams, excessive spending to maintain appearances, and even a loss of privacy. Living stealthily allows individuals to build wealth quietly, focusing on long-term financial goals without the distractions or dangers associated with ostentatious displays. Critically, many individuals overlook the consequences of flaunting wealth. It can lead to unsustainable spending habits, inflated lifestyle expectations, and a lack of financial security. To resolve this, consider adopting a stealth wealth approach. Prioritize savings and investments over material displays, maintain a modest lifestyle, and avoid unnecessary debt. Embrace modesty. Prioritize financial stability and peace of mind over flashy displays of wealth. Privacy is wealth. Protect your privacy and security by keeping your financial affairs discreet and under wraps. Number 2. Stopping the need to constantly keep up. The second strategy is stopping the need to constantly keep up. Many believe more income equals a grander lifestyle, a bigger house, fancier gadgets. But this mindset can trap you into needing more money just to sustain it. Look at Warren Buffett. He lives in the same modest house for decades. Instead of temporary luxuries, prioritize financial security and investments. More money doesn't guarantee stability. Smart financial decisions do. Prioritize financial freedom over fleeting luxuries to build lasting wealth. Number 3. The art of financial privacy. Most people don't realize that wealth isn't lost just through bad investments. It's also drained by the expectations, demands, and manipulations of others. When people know you have money, they start seeing you as an ATM. Family, friends, and even acquaintances suddenly have urgent needs, business proposals, or guilt-tripping requests. The more visible your wealth, the more you become a target. A real-life example is an anonymous crypto millionaire who, despite his wealth, continues living a simple life to avoid unwanted attention. He learned early that revealing his financial success only attracted moochers and bad business deals. Silence is power. The less people know about your wealth, the safer it is. Learn to say no. Your money is not a community fund. Set boundaries. Number 4. Creating more freedom in daily life. The real power of stealth wealth is not in showing off. It's in creating a life where you control your time, choices, and priorities. Public success brings pressure, expensive outings, judgments on personal choices. Stealth wealth removes these expectations, allowing you to live authentically. Whether it's simple pleasures or meaningful investments, financial success should enhance freedom, not restrict it. People take on excessive debt for status symbols, work jobs they hate just to afford luxuries they don't need, and sacrifice their freedom for fleeting social approval. The result? They're rich in possessions but poor in time. The solution? Prioritize financial independence over materialism. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle with every raise, invest in assets that generate passive income. Number 5. Silent wealth, lasting legacy. Most people think wealth is about making a lot of money, but true wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how long it lasts. The biggest mistake people make: they focus on spending riches instead of preserving them. That's why 70% of wealthy families lose their fortune by the second generation, and 90% by the third. Why? Because they flaunt wealth instead of teaching financial discipline. Morgan Housel wrote in The Psychology of Money, "Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not bought, the jewelry not flaunted, the luxury avoided." The richest families don't just build wealth. They pass down knowledge, habits, and strategies that make wealth last for generations. Teach wealth. Don't just leave it. Money without knowledge disappears in one generation. Pass down financial literacy. A family that understands money will never struggle for it. Number 6. Dodging financial landmines. The hidden power of stealth wealth. The biggest mistake people make? They expose themselves to unnecessary financial risks, flashy lifestyles, high debt, risky investments, and poor financial planning. They assume the good times will last forever until a job loss, market crash, or emergency wipes out their fortune. Robert Kiyosaki wrote in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." The wealthy don't just build money, they shield it from potential disasters. They assume the good times will last forever until a job loss, market crash, or emergency wipes out their fortune. The wealthy don't just build money, they shield it from potential disasters. Wealth is protection, not just possession. If you can't shield your money, you'll lose it when disaster strikes. Never rely on one source of income. Multiple income streams mean more financial security. Number 7. Focusing on what actually matters. Most people chase money, but the richest people chase freedom. The mistake? People waste time on appearances, luxury cars, designer brands, and social validation, while ignoring the real drivers of wealth: investments, skills, and discipline. They work tirelessly to impress others but remain financially fragile. True wealth lies in personal fulfillment and financial security, not public approval. The problem is, society rewards distractions. People scroll endlessly on social media, comparing themselves to fake influencers, and spend their hard-earned money trying to keep up. Instead, the ultra-wealthy focus on what actually matters: owning businesses, increasing knowledge, and making their money work for them. True wealth is freedom, not flash. The goal isn't to impress others, it's to own your time. Invest in assets, not status. What you own should make you richer, not just look expensive. Number 8. Leveraging financial power for long-term benefit. The rich don't just earn, they turn their money into assets that generate even more money. If you want to build real financial power, stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor. Those who master stealth wealth quietly invest in appreciating assets, stocks, real estate, businesses, allowing them to generate income without lifting a finger. Stop treating money like a temporary reward and start using it as a tool for financial dominance. Instead of buying liabilities, buy assets. Instead of working harder, make your money work smarter. Money is a tool, not a trophy. The goal isn't to show off, it's to use money to create more wealth. Passive income is the ultimate freedom. The less you depend on active work, the richer you become. In conclusion, adopting stealth wealth strategies isn't about hiding wealth. It's about protecting it, growing it, and ensuring it serves your long-term goals. By keeping financial success private, you gain control over your financial destiny, free from unnecessary pressures and risks. If you found this video insightful, subscribe for more tips on smart money management and wealth-building strategies. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.